Presenting the Oppo F19 Pro Plus 5G. The phone comes in color options of fluid black and space silver. The phone has display of 6.43 inches inch, 16.3 centimeters, 2400 by 1080 pixels and body ratio of 90.8%. The phone also has larger screen-to-body ratio and display fingerprint 3.0. It has 48MP quad camera, 48MP main plus 8MP wide-angle macro plus 2MP portrait mono lens plus 2MP macro mono lens. It has 16MP front camera. It comes with 4310 mAh lithium polymer battery and 50 watts flash charging technology. It has support LPDDR4X memory, 8GB RAM and 128GB internal memory dual SIM, Nano plus Nano. Expandable memory up to 256GB and it supports dual 5G or 4G SIM and dual standby. It is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 800U 5G and powerful 2.4 GHz octa-core processor. It also features fast charging support, gamer mode and dual SIM. Fingerprint sensor and smartphone. The delivery box contains phone, earphones and USB cable. Charger, SIM ejector tool and protective case.